Hello everyone. Today, AUTOSHOP Vietnam would like to send you a tutorial video on how to use the Smarttool 2 or Smarttool Eco device to read the key ID for Yamaha Tmax 560. This is for the case when the customer has lost all the keys and needs to retrieve the old key ID to register a new key for the motorbike. You will need to prepare the Smarttool 2 or Smarttool Eco device, a Yamaha Tmax 560 SCU with the plastic cover removed, the gray adapter and the multicolor cable, and finally, a tablet or smartphone to look up the connection diagram on the AUTOSHOP app. Now I will operate on the Smarttool 2 device to perform the function of reading the key ID in this Yamaha Tmax SCU. On the tablet or smartphone, open the AUTOSHOP app to look up the connection diagram for the SCU. Select Search. Singapore, Yamaha, Tmax, XP 560, 2020 to 2022. Program Smart Key. On the screen, you can see the instruction image showing how to connect the multicolor cable to the SCU. You need to carefully solder the wires to the exact pin positions as instructed. It is necessary to solder on both sides of the SCU. I have finished soldering the wires to the SCU. Now I will connect the wires to the adapter following the instruction image. After finishing the connection, I will operate on the device. Select Smart Key. Yamaha. Select SCU 18P Tmax. Auto Program. Select MCU. Read full key. The key ID reading process only takes about 30 seconds to 1 minute. Here are the key ID that read in SCU. Once you have the key ID information, you can use this code to program new keys for the motorbike by connecting the SCU to the Tmax Smart Key cable, or by adding new keys directly on the motorbike using the manual method. This is the tutorial video on how to use the Smarttool 2 device to read the key ID for Yamaha Tmax 560. For the Smarttool Eco device, the operation is the same. If you would like to purchase the Smarttool 2, Smarttool Eco, or upgrade this function for your Smarttool device, please contact us via the WhatsApp hotline number displayed below the screen.